Tonight we're shooting reformed night shots, 800 ISO in Grand Rapids. Film's got a kind of yellow backing, so that's kind of cool. And we're in business. Curious to see what this looks like, shooting down this little corridor. Is that a little bright?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Hopefully that came out. It's very light. Imagine the flash is like half a second out of sync. That's a cool shot to try. One second. Oh no, the flash! What? Alright. Ready? Dude, what time is it? What time do you think it is?
11:11, make a wish, baby.
11 p.m. And you can see clear as day. Right here? Really sick. This is gonna be a core memory, just walking through snowy streets.
Yeah, this is dope.
Yeah, you're right, there is. I mean, I don't think they'd be plowing like a fast food restaurant's parking lot at like 11 p.m. if they were expecting more snow, you know? What do you say? Gotcha. Do you mind like going that way? Just so I could get a picture without you. Sorry.
That's fine, I get it. I know where I stand.
If these cars clear up after like one traffic cycle, it'd be sick to get a shot looking that way.
Yeah.
But I don't want to wait too long. YOLO. I think I got the shot I was looking for.
Let's go.
Oh no, is this someone's phone? It's got a Pokemon card in the back.
Oh wow, that's probably worth more than the phone. Not much to go off of here.
Face ID. Should we go into the bar and like...
Yeah, probably.
Excuse me. I found someone's phone outside. Yeah, it was about that way. He said something, I don't know what he said, but he said thanks, I think. Catch the underage kids.
They asked if you had a YouTube channel. I said, yeah, follow you.
Oh, let's get a picture of this guy real quick. This neon. Actually seems like a pretty chill spot. That didn't sound right. But, you know, if I were drunk and I lost my phone, first place I'd go is the bar. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, I thought you were
that
saying, like, you don't need to stand on a hill and go somewhere. I like Michigan, man. You know, like, how do you decide where to go? How far is that? 10? I think it's fogging up because it's pressed up against my stomach. Wait. Because from this angle, the car looks like it's totally buried. Which I think is kind of just funny. Face me. All right. Did not get through all of the reformed night shots film. So I've got 16 shots left, give or take. And we'll probably just shoot these in the morning or on the way home and just see what it looks like.